right, we're thinking about making smash burgers, so I started some onions, caramelized some onions. Here they are, and they're looking beautiful. The pan ain't looking so good, but the onions is looking amazing. Got a cast iron pan. Getting up to temp. Where are we at? 412. We got to get closer to 500. We'll let that go. We got two beautiful 2.5 ounce piles of beef, which we're going to make into smash burgers. 2 slices of bacon, 2 slices of cheese, a smasher, some rolls, which I've been sitting here getting nice and ready. Look at these beauties. We're going to toast those. Might as well start with that. Boom, boom, beautiful buns. We'll save those for later. Sip of coffee. And here we go. Let's see, we got smash burgers going. Need some paper. Of course, I pre-cut 2 pieces of parchment paper, which we will use to help the burger from not sticking. And let's check if our temp is up. 418. Well, we need a little more temperature. Let's get that up there. It feels pretty hot to me. Plenty of fire. Turn it that way to get it mixed up. Let's see what we got. 4. Well, we're still a little shy. Okay, let's start this. Get bagel mode. Toast. Let's get these at least started. Nice warm buns. We'll get another plate to set the smasher on when I take it off. Boom. Okay, what else? A little mayo. Nice little mayo on that burger too. A little mayo out. All right, here we go. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's check that temp. 435. Ooh, 381 back there. Starting to smoke though. I think we're good. Boom, 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 boom. Time to smash. Here we go. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm all ready. And of course, you forgot a few things. You need the ultimate burger rub. Start with one. Boom, drop it on. A little seasoning on top. A little smash on top of that. Boom, boom. And smash that baby nice and flat. Sizzling. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Take that off. Look at that. Boom. Of course, thought of everything. Forgot the spatula. How can you make a smash burger without a spatula? Boom. Put a little bit more down there. We're going with the ultimate burger rub. Pit Boss. Crisp. Looks beautiful. Coming nice. Throwing our first layer of cheese. Boom. And there she goes. Let's throw a little pan on top. That cheese melting good. Do a little cleanup while I'm in here. Boom. Burgers are toasting. See how they're looking? Beautiful. Oh, nice. Getting a little color on them. Keep them going. See how this baby's doing. Look at good cheese on top. Looking beautiful. Bacon. Beautiful caramelized onions. Looking pretty good. Take one of these up. Boom, boom. Let that one stay. We'll go with this guy. Pamela, your burger is ready. A little mayo on top. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Get that baby off. An amazing Smashburger, ready to roll.
You want to come in?
Scrape that baby off. Do do do. Make number 2. Boom. Throw that in there. And here we go. Number 2 going in. Little do 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 do. Put a little seasoning on top. Crispy top. Squish it down. Boom, boom. There we go. Pop that off. Go right in there. Give this a flip. Wow, look at that beauty. Bacon, onions, layer on the cheese. Put the top on. How is it?
Very good.
Is it awesome?
Hot.
Just fresh off the oven. Boom. Take out the next one. Pop a little mayo on there. A little heavier on this one. I think we're ready. Turn the pot off. Put it back. 2. And that's it. 2 Smashburgers ready to go.